Welcome back to my channel, Twisted Paper Studio. Hope everyone is well. I have another journal, bunny pretty journal flip through to share with you today. Let's just get started. It's a 3 signature journal. I kind of changed things up a bit. Same amount of work, just separated it a little differently. Okay, it says lapin, and then here we are, the inside. This journal belongs to the medieval window flip. Some pockets with the vintage paper, the linen paper. And a flip. A tuck. Another pocket. So cute. And flip. Lots of journaling space in this journal. Some of my desk bling, a little bee, ruffle, tuck, tag, little surprise. Well, this journal is unique. This client asked if I could incorporate her little bunnies into the journal, and I did so. Lots of journaling space. Little tags. Some collage. Stamping. Tags with a belly band. So, a little letter. Some collage. The little gatefold window. I gave a tutorial of this on one of my other videos. A little library pocket with some extras in there. So cute. And then this is the center signature with a little doily, and I just wrapped it around with some seam binding to close it. A little bunny button. Some tags, some more journaling space, some of my coffee dyed paper, well, tea dyed and some pink dye as well. Some tags, cute. I just think these are so cute. I just love all the bunnies. A little flip with some ephemera. Some postcards that I reprinted. A little booklet to take with you if you want to journal while you're out. Some more pockets. A little Beatrix Potter. A little booklet. Another little trifold with note paper inside. Some more tags. Some vintage music paper. Some more journaling space. Some more pockets. And here's the customer's pretty bunny. So cute. Adorable. I just made it into a little pocket. Some more journaling space. Another little trifold with a postcard. And the last signature here. A little bunny. Some more tags. Some vintage paper. Little surprises. A tag. Journaling space. Some more collaged tags. And a pocket. Journaling space. Here's a little bag. Flip out with a pocket. Ooh, I need to fill up that pocket. I'll have to make another tag. It's a good thing I looked in there. Some more journaling space. Here's a little flippy bag. This is so cute. I love this. There's a little bunny on here that holds it in, but this little bunny has a little prayer card on the front, and then on the back I just stamped "Some bunny loves you" with little secret stuff in there. It's cute. Some more journaling space. Stamping. Collage. Another little book and a tag. Another tag. Collage. Some more tags. And some more journaling. And then a pocket in the back with my collage. And then another little book with a little pocket. And then a little note with another little bag here. It's cute. And then the writing board that I give to all my books. Oops. Okay. Whoops. And then the back. So, yeah, another little book, well, Carl, they keep saying that little. It's not little, but another bunny journal. Thank you for watching. I hope you all are having a wonderful week, and I'll be back soon. I have some orders to fill, so I'll be back soon, hopefully with a tutorial or a craft with me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe and the like button so you'll get notified, and the little bell so you'll get notified whenever I do post any videos. And if you are subscribed already, thank you so much for watching me and supporting my art. Thank you. Have a blessed day.